hell nah.
Why would you do that? You don't know shoot him! Shoot at it!
Oh, it is a
challenge. FANUM and Kai right off the bat, they winning.
Y'all New York is always extra, bro. What we gonna do today, bro? Since y'all from the Bronx, right? Y'all both from the Bronx?
Yeah.
What part of the Bronx you from?
What's he said?
What part you from?
Uptown.
Both of niggas pussy.
I got you, gang. I got you.
what the
Where you from? Pussy, nigga.
I gotta understand, bro. I really be cooking. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a cook, but I be cooking. You know how you got a skill that you have, but you don't know you have it? That's me.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Nobody believes in us. You know what I'm saying? Nobody believes in us, though. They think, not even us. But we gonna prove these niggas wrong, right? And ourselves wrong. Right? We gotta work hard.
You know damn well you can't cook.
We got this, bro. This is easy, my brother. Okay? Roscoe chicken soup. 1 pound soup. Hey, Chris and David, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. David Chris. I grew up in a household where my mom could always cook for me and my dad could always cook for me. So I know I got potential. But why are we always talking about cooking? You know what I'm saying? Why are we not talking about the political and economical state of the world?
Order in the court. All right, bet. Let's get it poppin'.
Hey, dude, if you don't pay attention, we're done.
All right, Jay,
we're done.
We good anyway.
Whoa.
No.
Whoa.
You can cook though, I ain't tripping.
Yeah, have a little bit of faith, man.
I can cook too.
Yeah, say it. I want to hear you say
I
it.
can do anything I put my mind to. Yes, sir.
I like that. Y'all want to know my stats? I've successfully cooked 0 meals. I've almost burned 3 homes down. And my food is almost always undercooked or overcooked. There's no in between.
Chopped cheese.
See, now, Duke can't cook. Ancient can't cook, so.
Nah, grabbing it in one hand is crazy, but
Grabbing it with 2.
Dog, this is what we gonna do. We gonna cut that in half. One of y'all cut it in half. Who's gonna do it?
He doing me, bro.
what is that?
And first of all, once again, I just want to say fuck Agent, because he's my biggest hater, bro. Nigga, only thing I can't do shit, you ass. You so ass, bro. Where's my mother? You're trash, bro.
Where I put it? Right there. Everything? Yeah. Everything. But thank you. I will let you cut this, but the way you have that knife, dog, let him do it. Let him do it for the one time. Let's see.
Why you so loose?
Come on, bro. Come on, I need you to tighten the fuck up. You on my team, nigga. Come on, he just said it. He literally just said it, bro.
I think the first time I cooked was in the first AMP video when y'all tried to make me swallow that worm. I'm not doing that.
You need this?
Nah, brother. Hey, bro, if you gonna hand it to him, you gotta hand it like this right here. Safety.
I was never in the military. They didn't teach me that.
See, I don't say about your country, you guys. I like that. Manners.
Nah, though, man. Shit, my mama know how to cook, though. She probably one of the best cooks in the hood. Everybody go to my mama's house, you know what I'm saying? Oh, she, you know what I'm saying? She cooking, we going there, but I ain't never cooked, so.
My mama the best cook. On everything, my mama is the
Best cook. Thanksgiving, Christmas, holidays, just in general. My mom is the best cook I've ever had in my life. Ever. If your mama don't know how to cook, that's crazy. That's like beyond that's crazy. Like if your mom don't know how to cook, that's crazy.
Nah, sometimes I was burning the bacon and shit. Huh? I used to burn the bacon. Taste it. Yo, what the fuck? We eating raw meat? You
just ate raw meat?
Hey.
Davis.
Good job, nigga. Good job, nigga.
I looked in the previous love and cooking video, and Davis can't cook, so I'm gonna have to carry the nigga, I guess. Like, it's just something that anytime Davis on your team, you just gotta carry the nigga. So I'm
that nigga on some
LSK microwave gang when he was in the last video. LSK microwave gang.
just do my best to pull most of the leverage, you know what I'm saying? And what we cooking today?
Egg salad, you want to use a really nice, flavorful tomato.
some shit.
It's nice to get locally grown tomatoes. We're going to cut them in wedges. Now, a serrated knife, or this is actually a tomato knife, is...
Duke has no cooking ability, that's fine. We'll cheat most likely regardless. Duke orders DoorDash all day, every day, or Uber Eats. I don't know what his app of choice is. What I do know is he does that shit 5 times a day. So there's a good chance that'll probably be part of our strategy going forward.
Asian always cheating. Competitions always.
I think Chris could be potentially a good partner. Will he get injured? If he finds a way to like mess up his finger or tear his you never know.
Oh shit!
His ACL.
None of us like tomatoes.
It's alright.
Like, I take them out most of the time. You know what I'm saying? Dishes. What is that?
You know what I'm saying? Like, I probably fucked up a little bit on this, but my shit look immaculate.
I feel like there should be a machine that can cut the stuff for us, though.
My mans, what the fuck you doing right there?
Oh, that's my dog. He be in there cooking. He got a little weird, food. You know what I'm saying? Choices. I seen the nigga eating. What the nigga eating? What, steak and watermelon and on some other shit. I'm like, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I think my dog can cook. Y'all seen him cooking salmon the other day too.
Yeah, chop it up. Yeah, chop it up. Yeah, chop it up. Yeah,
Asian food, he not him. You know what I'm saying? He's not him. Kai and FANUM is where things get a little mixy. You know what I'm saying? Because FANUM, he got the experience. You know, he got the pass. He has the credentials. You know what I'm saying?
You better make this the Aki way. The Aki way. Hey, bro, I want to chop cheese. The Aki way. I want to chop cheese on the roll. Yo, Bruce. I want to chop cheese on the roll. The Aki way. No. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. This is real. That's real. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Fucking God. Hey. Shit out. Yo, I thought you took your finger off, bro.
Hey, wait.
No. Do we need to stop? Hold on. Wait a second. Who the fuck likes tomatoes? Do we need tomatoes?
Yeah. Hey.
You ever cut yourself before? Cut tomatoes?
I had the full Gumby at one point. My shit was gone.
Yeah.
Like, I don't feel nothing here.
Oh, you're like, your nerves and shit for it.
You're winning right now.
Like I do, I used to put it in a girl's thing. I never felt it right there, so she used to love it.
Wow.
She twirled around. I ain't feel shit.
Don't you want to feel something?
I mean, nah. When you're in that deep.
How can you tell if you're on the clit if you can't feel?
I ain't talking about the clit, dog.
He's talking about the dad, my boy.
Oh, you're a freak. I'm not concerned about no other teams, I'll be honest with y'all. Whatever team Davis is on is gonna make an inedible meal. Let's start there. So Davis team off the rip, don't worry about it.
Nah. If you want to serve me that one, I'm fine. Like, yo, who top cheese is that? That's me right there.
I'm showing you how to make it. This is my shit. I'm hungry as hell.
What? Nigga, we on the line. What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, nigga, we on the line. You're not about to skip the line, nigga. Wait, my mother.
Y'all don't have to be in this video, if we're being honest. You guys are not gonna win.
AJ, you're not gonna win because FANUM is better than you. Like,
Don't gas like
way
this nigga,
better.
bro.
No, FANUM
gas.
is
No
way
bullshit.
better
Talk
than
to that
you.
nigga.
And you are the worst cooker in
Talk to him.
AMP.
Talk to him.
You are the worst cooker in AMP.
Why this nigga lame,
Get
bro?
out.
Talk to him. Get it.
Hey,
talk
Mo,
your shit.
you gotta help these guys out, bro.
Bro.
Your man's right here was throwing the knife around like he was fucking a lecturer and shit. He was fucking the fuck out.
Watch it.
No, bro. Yo, everybody run. Everybody get the fuck out of here. Yo, chill, everybody get out of here.
Ain't none of my business. You know what I'm saying? The world will be a way better place if people just mind their own business. They ain't got nothing to do with me, so that ain't my concern.
He about to just jam the meat in there.
They call Davis a school scatter.
Make it look juicy.
Yeah, I don't know how that shit gonna fit.
Why you telling us that though? Like, yo, what's going on? He be getting down and dirty. The Aki way.
What cheese?
Oh shit! Oh my god! Yo, get him back! Get him back! Get him back! Get him back! Fight back, nigga! Fight back! Yo, come on! Fight back! Oh my! God damn it, Chris! Oh, always with that pillow? Uh-oh. Chris, you know what pillow you got hit with? That's the cum pillow. Nigga, that's the cum pillow. That's the cum pillow. That's the cum pillow. Yo, that's the pillow that was on. Yeah, that was on this live.
Did a sock in here?
Hey.
It up, nice and slow. Put stuff in. You feel me?
Of course.
And just calm down.
But like, what if you ain't got that much experience? Like with that type of shit.
Then you just stuff it.
Like what you mean?
Stuff it, bro.
Like hard?
Yeah.
Are we talking about food, guys?
Yeah, nigga. But lock in, but I'll tweak the fuck out.
That fucking guy.
Don't you dare shoot that.
Let's go! This fucking guy.
But this is a fucking lobster type shit. You talking about glizzy,
You
bro?
do know lobsters are bottom feeders, right?
Oh,
What's that
what
mean?
is
I don't know what that means.
So when whales take a shit and everything take a shit and it falls to the bottom of the ocean, that's when lobsters be eating, bro.
Why would you tell us that before we? You should have kept that to yourself. I feel like you shouldn't have told us that right there,
This
man.
shit busting, bro.
Now what you want to do is you want to grab a little bit of mayonnaise.
Okay.
Hey,
Whoa.
hold on real quick. I gotta
Whoa, dude.
Hold on. Keep it all the way 1,000.
Yeah, 100 or 1,000?
1,000.
1,000.
You eat mayonnaise sandwiches, don't you?
Mayonnaise sandwiches. I'm not eating no mayo sandwich.
$50.
$100 right now. You eat a mayonnaise sandwich. Disgusting, dog. No.
Chef Mo, you better stop playing with these niggas.
So how's the wife and kids, Davis?
Everything's been going good, man. You know, just got the new crib. Now we gotta, lawn landscaping. Yeah. You know, the dog's sick.
Yeah, my wife cheating on me.
She is again?
I think you're ready for the food trip.
Yep.
Wait, we didn't.
Lawn landscaping. Yeah. You know, the dog's sick.
Yeah, my wife cheating on me.
She is again?
I think you're ready for the food trip.
Yep.
Wait, we didn't do the shrimp.
You're on your own on the trip, my brother.
I'm such an admirer of your work, man.
Yeah, man.
I swear, bro, it's just like you're a legend in these streets, bro.
Shrimp easy as fuck.
Easy as fuck.
I've been watching TikToks on like food, and they always say like shrimps is, bro. They don't take that
Easiest.
long, bro. They don't take.
You know what, man? I got an air fryer.
Chef motherfucking Mo.
Say it again. Say it again.
Motherfucking Mo.
Motherfucking
And you know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't fucking with you, bro.
Yo, what he said back then, they didn't want me, now they. Back then, they didn't want me, now they all on me. KC3S fed with the motherfucking kid and boom, nigga.
That nigga's his ass.
Yo, get out.
It's good, man.
It's like cat food, bro.
Nah, you a hating ass.
Get sturdy, nigga.
Hey, you can hear his footsteps.
Bruh, I'm trying to congratulate y'all.
Oh, thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Even though y'all treated me like shit, made me eat a meal sandwich.
That's crazy.
But you did give me a little something for that, so I appreciate that. Here you go, brother.
What's this right here?
That's your apron, dog.
Word. Graduated from the motherfucking street.
Yes, sir. There you go. And it's an urban apron. You see that? You know what I'm saying?
Graduated from the motherfucking street.
Shit, I'm out here. I'm trying to congratulate you. I think you're ready for the food trip.
Yep.
Wait, we didn't.
Landscaping. You know, the dog's sick.
My wife cheating on me.
She is again?
I think you're ready for the food trip.
Yep.
Wait, we didn't do the shrimp.
You're on your own on the trip, my brother.
I'm such an admirer of your work, man.
Yeah, man.
I swear, bro, it's just like you're a legend.
Shrimp easy as fuck. I've been watching TikTok on like food, and they always say like shrimp is, bro, it don't take
Easy.
long, bro. It don't take
You know what, man? I got an air fryer.
Motherfucking mo. Say it again. Motherfucking mo. And you know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't fucking with you, bro.
Yo, what he said? Back then they didn't want me, now they. Back then they didn't want me, now they all love me. KC3S better with the motherfucking kid in the nose, nigga. Ass. Yo, get out.
How's that walk, bro?
That motherfucker buzzing and nigga.
Hey! Now do this. Now do this.
I ain't doing that. Come on, man, I ain't doing that. I'm Millie Rock.
What the fuck was that?
I'm not doing that. Nah. I hit you with the old school shit. I ain't hit you with some of that. Right?
Yo! He got us some Micah Mary aprons! Nah! These is jeans! Hold on. I think my shit Dior.
Alright, you did alright. I mean, I pray for you on that truck, the whole knife in there. Alright, man. There you go, man.
Boy, this is a fire apron, my brother.
I'm an Avenger now.
Only from Chef Mo himself, bro. Oh my God, bro. Be more fucking hype. Chef Mo just gave you that.
From the bottom of my heart, this means so much to me.
Yeah.
Listen, look. I will make you proud.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
It's possible.
Yes. Cool.
Hey, bro. Get sturdy, nigga.
For real?
Get sturdy. Get sturdy right now, bro.
I have to.
Hey, get sturdy right now.
Hey!
Oh!
I like some kids get started, even though you don't want to get started. What's wrong?
But it smells so good, bro. Come on. Under there. Let's use that little kid to attract customers. Yo, with that little nigga. Hey, look. I'll make you 10 cents an hour if you tell everybody about this food truck, all right? Tell everybody, like, yell, like, hey, we got a food truck here. Make sure y'all pull up, all right?
We got
Chop cheese. You ever heard of chop cheese?
No. We gonna have one today.
New York style. You gonna have one today for free on the house. But make sure you take you around. We gonna give it to you.
Oh, you going all
Oh, shit?
No, dude. I'm going that shit.
Okay, Mr. Beast. Goddamn, Mr. Beast. Hold on. Okay. Chop cheese. I said, let me get a chop cheese. I said, chop cheese. Hey, yo. Throw this on the book, nigga.
You want to make the good work like this?
Chop cheese, Dolan?
I never had a chopped cheese. I'm from LA. I don't think we
You
have.
ever heard of a chopped cheese? No. Oh, man, you're not living. You ain't never been to New York?
I don't like New York.
What?
Oh, someone
What you mean? What you mean you don't like New York?
Hold on, what?
Fuck you mean you don't like New York?
What's going on?
I'm talking New York.
Dog?
Why you come to my truck for?
You don't like New York? You step off my truck. 10 yards, please, man.
Chop cheese on the house.
On the house?
Yeah. If you weigh like 20.
So I'm on the camera. I ain't never had a chopped cheese in my life. And I'm judging, so I hope it's good.
It'll be good. Trust me. Gonna be good. We gonna have that touch, that love. You feel me?
Okay, well, look, I'll be ready.
Alright, I'm gonna holler at you safely. I think she was on your dick. I think she was on my dick. I ain't gonna lie, she was on your dick. Nah, I ain't gonna get your dick, nigga.
Like that. Chop it up. Chop it up. Yeah.
Hey, you gonna get it the Aki way.
Now you gonna eat it the Aki way.
Hey, he ain't too now. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. Hold on. Hey. Come on. One food.
That shit look like
Nigga, you know me, nigga. Hey, free food in the house. Pull up. Yeah. You get some, alright? You get, hey, come get your, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Here you go. What's your name, brother? Here you go, here. On the house. Be careful here. Nice little Arizona for you.
Go on the body, bro.
How that motherfucker taste, gang? Yeah! Take a bite. I want you to take a bite real quick. Let me know how that motherfucker tastes, bro. New York to the A. Come on. Yeah. How motherfucker taste? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get this. Hold on. Get that. How that motherfucker taste, gang? How that motherfucker taste, gang? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That motherfucker tastes good, right? Hey, shut your ass up, little nigga.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how was Kai's and FANUM's bodega?
Like, I feel like a good 9.5.
9.5?
9.5 out of 20?
Yeah, 9 out of 50.
Oh, wait, you said 50?
That was out of 50.
Yeah.
No, but it's too late.
You're locked in on 9.5.
On a scale from 9 to 10, you know, how was his sandwich? How was his sandwich, my brother?
I mean, now come on, bro. You know I'm
I'm eating, bro.
It was fine?
He didn't even finish it. He stopped eating it. He started eating something else.
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Yeah.
He was eating the French more than the damn
Yeah,
sandwich.
he left that shit.
I ain't gonna lie, you was eating the glizzy more than the sandwich.
If you like the glizzy, you like the glizzy, it's okay.
To 50. How was the show?
9 to 50?
Yeah.
I get a something about 45.
11. He said
Look at him. The
he said 44 out of 100.
5, 10 out of 10.
Ooh, 5.
Fried the main track.
10 out of 50? Oh,
Okay,
nah,
okay,
let's go.
No, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, we heard you. 10 out of 50. All right, back.
10 out of 50.
We got you. No problem.
Bet.
They hold on. They about to make some food too. It's three companies. Oh wait, hold on. What you say?
We don't want that.
Oh yeah. Hold on. What y'all saying?
We don't want theirs.
I always say a little bit louder. Y'all don't want who's?
There.
Y'all don't want them niggas?
No.
Okay. Now you gotta make some on the house. Hey, look.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying. We got right here. We got the chopped cheese special coming straight out the Bronx from the Bronx era. You feel me?
Zone.
Now I want y'all to respect it.
And it's crazy how they give you fries and a drink for free. That shit crazy.
You know what I'm saying?
How it look? It's a New York signature. The chopped cheese. Have you ever heard of chopped cheese?
No.
Y'all never heard of a chopped cheese?
Once or twice.
Okay, once or twice.
It look like In-N-Out.
No, don't compare us to them niggas.
Hold on. Slow it down.
Like a bootleg, and I see what you. Yeah, I see
It look like
Yeah, just that's not quite there. But no, we gonna try it. We gonna.
Hey, no, we don't got time for no games. This
Go
is
ahead
real
and bite
shit.
that in. Go ahead, do your thing. First bite.
Okay.
Fries first or not?
Yeah, try whatever you want.
I bet.
I suggest the chopped cheese first.
We got rolls and shit.
The fries are good.
Fries is fire, yeah.
Fries are good.
These don't alright.
I'm real picky.
Alright.
Go take a bite. Hey, Pete, go take a nice bite of that.
Okay, hold on. He munching. Hold on, he munching.
Hold on, y'all.
It looks like In-N-Out.
Look, I'm gonna be
Why
100 with
y'all
y'all
mad at
niggas.
In-N-Out?
Y'all niggas need to put some mayonnaise on that shit. Mayonnaise with your disgusting.
Got mayonnaise on it. What you talking
You ain't put enough. Like it's alright. But the meat don't got that much flavor. I ain't gonna hold y'all.
Hey, look, we don't got time for no games.
No, I keep it a band, bro.
Cause the hood like it.
I mean,
You don't like it?
I took a bite. I still been chewing this whole time. I ain't been really chewing. It might need a little more of that.
More flavor in the meat. Wait, hold on.
Can you say it again? What you say?
I like it.
Hold on.
And I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it.
You're not taking bigger bites. I gotta take bigger bites.
I gotta take bigger bites.
That shit alright.
Fuck with it.
It's alright. It just need more flavor.
How you like the fries?
The fries hit. I fuck with the fries. Yeah, fries good. Hey, this the Red Robin fries. Red Robin jump.
I don't know what's going on with him. I ain't gonna lie.
I said, you know
I don't
what?
know like that.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm hella picky and I actually like
Appreciate
big food. It tastes good. It's something I would order.
I got some seafood for you a little bit later.
I love
And you know, it's like they try and bamboozle you with the Arizona. if they really cared about you, they'd have served you the mango. Yo, they was just telling me how great this meal was. I was seeing like, I would have ate some if I wasn't fasting. I would have ate. Hey, good thing that I've been building rapport with the hood. I've been playing volleyball.
What's your meal?
Yeah.
What's your meal?
Shrimp and lobster,
Shut the fuck
nigga.
up,
Hey, don't
nigga.
walk with your chest out. Don't walk with your chest out.
That shit was.
What's up with you?
Hey, you had the food? You had the food?
Huh?
You had the food?
No, I ain't that. Hey, but you got people that's around you, they gonna try their best to down you.
Yeah,
You gotta keep these haters at your face.
yeah.
I don't know what to do. I don't know. Davis isn't here.
Hey, yo, Poppy, where's the other cook, Poppy?
He's not here yet.
Llámalo, hermano, llámalo.
You know what I said?
I see. No, I don't know what you said. I don't know what you said. I don't know what you said. Oh my God, it's fucking helpless. It's fucking helpless. It's fucking. Hey, you're not helping me. You're supposed to be a fucking chef.
No Nintendo.
Chef Mo.
No Nintendo.
Chef Mo, what am I supposed to do with this?
And fry it. Put it in the fryer.
All right.
What the fuck is you doing, bro? This is the fryer right here to get the wings right here. This is the fryer, bro.
My bad. Damn you. All right. Thank you for. See, you cooked something for me, my brother.
Put it on. Put one
Oh, my bad.
More than that.
All right.
Faster, bro.
Hold on.
With this,
And fry it. Put it in the fryer.
All right.
This is what you get. This is what you get when you got niggas that ain't cook all their life.
This is what you get
When you got niggas that ain't cooked all their life.
ain't had no fast food job. They don't know what the.
Oh my.
Sometimes, bro, you don't. Yo, some of y'all, man, your chefs is dirty. Yo, bro, you clean your hands today? You clean your hands today?
How you my face?
Clean your fucking hands, nigga. Get back in the truck. Clean your hands and get back in the truck.
Get
man.
back in the kitchen, nigga.
Whoa, that's sexist.
I said to you.
Really good
question. Where did you wash your hands today?
He didn't wash his hands. He don't wash his hands.
There is nowhere to wash your hands. So where did you?
Sanitize it. You're on
With
my
what? With
dick.
what? Where is
In
it?
my
I want some.
car, in my car.
Can I ask?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm calling him. He's a no call, no show, dog. No call, no show. No call, no show. He's not coming, dog. He's not picking up.
He didn't answer?
Nah.
Oh my God, I can't do this a fucking long. It's called Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles. Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles, and right now it's Chris Chicken and Waffles.
It could be Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo. Mo and Chris.
Hey.
Oh, you want to go first? Chris and Mo sounds good.
You know what I'm saying?
Chris and Mo.
That's what I want to tell you.
Okay.
You're probably gonna come in last place. Don't let that demoralize you.
Phantom's better than you.
In what?
Life, nigga.
And now you're on Phantom's cock. You're riding heavily. Reverse cowgirl.
Phantom better.
At what?
Phantom better.
God damn. You know what I'm saying? God damn. Hey, Chef Mo. Chef Mo. It wouldn't be. Oh, we gonna go like. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look who finally made it, bro.
Come on, bro. What
Yeah, Bobby, where you was at, Bobby?
This shit is good.
We're at work and you eating, my boy?
We're at a restaurant. This is work, nigga.
Yo, run me my fucking chicken and waffles.
Phantom is better than you.
Yo, bro.
Okay?
Dick riding.
I got customers leaving.
Dick riding.
Good.
Bro, we wasn't doing that. We was not doing that shit.
Okay, I have a question.
I'm just not I'm trying to help you out.
There is not one thing being cooked right now.
Bro, come on, bro.
Y'all chilling.
Look, I was gonna come up with some shit afterwards. And I can pay you a little extra if you just move them hating ass niggas away from my shit.
Okay, I got you.
Can you? It's one short nigga, dreads, and then one with a puffy bush. I don't have problems with nobody else. Everybody fucking cool. But Agent 000 and Casanat.
Lil C-Nat. We call him Lil C-Nat. We need them packed up out of here. I need them to feel our pain.
Yes, right?
See you talking to my mom right there?
Yo, Ages.
We gonna get him next time.
Next time?
Next time.
He kind of just burned you, bro.
Yeah.
A lot of ducks and doves.
I just grab it.
Grab the whole thing, bro.
I put a waffle there.
One in each.
I put another waffle there.
Boom.
Hey, wait.
Boom.
No. The customer satisfaction first. Nigga.
No. No, I was gonna eat it. Yeah, come on.
Hey. Okay. Of course I got it, chef, my brother.
Sauce it up. Come on, bro. Come on. Sauce it up. Do too much. Sauce it up. Do too much. Oh, you not listening. One flat, one drum, bro. If you was listening to the ordinary, the greatness of Chef Mo, you
on Chef Mo dick right now, I ain't gonna lie.
So what?
Oh.
Yeah, so what? I'm on Chef Mo's dick. So what? I'm on his dick.
Yo, I just wanted to hate peacefully.
Hello, welcome to Chris and Davis's Southern Comfort Chicken and Waffles. Make some noise if you're ready for some fucking waffles. Thank you.
I'm on hold, baby. About to shut them niggas down, man. They better act quick. Once I'm done with them. Actually, on some real shit,
I'm doing everybody a favor. Eating Davis cooking is a mistake. I've made it before. Don't be one of me.
Come on, man. Try my shit, y'all. Come on, bro. Come on, Avery. Try my shit. Try my shit, nigga. Hey, is he a judge? You a judge?
Yeah, nah.
Hell nah. You, all right. Try my motherfucking chicken and waffles. Come on, nigga.
Bro, you got salad on your shit, bro?
It's not solid. It's not solid. It's not solid.
Coastline to make it look lavish.
Come on, it is lavish, nigga. Well, you been in the gym. You know what I'm saying? I've been thinking about that. You know what I'm saying? Like niggas might be healthy. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, let me throw some coleslaw on it for the healthy niggas.
What kind of chicken this is, Tom?
What kind of chicken?
Yeah.
Vegan and shit. All that shit. You healthy, right?
There were some kids shooting like maybe a music video or selling food out of a food truck in his private parking lot.
In his private parking lot?
Correct.
Okay, so I'll be happy to assist you, but so you think are they doing it now or?
Yeah, like right now, I'm looking at them do it.
How y'all liking the food? How y'all liking the food?
Said it tastes good.
Tastes good. What we doing?
I'm gonna be real.
What you say?
I'm gonna be real, right? So, just being honest.
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it like an 8.5.
8.5. What's wrong with it? What'll make it a 10 then?
I need a little bit. I need some of Davis's blonde, you know what I'm saying, sprinkled in that bitch, right? Dude, need to spit on it. Kai need to dance on this bitch. And then like one of Chris's beard hairs. Come on, work till I dead.
Nothing from Agent?
You know what I'm saying? You said what?
Nothing.
So Duke needs to spit on it. Davis needs to give his hair on it. And Kai needs to dance. Is that what make you good right now?
Agent
just need to be there and then it's straight, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. Why you not eating? Oh, you fasting? Oh, you fasting? You fasting too? Yeah, I'm fasting. You fasting? You fasting? Can you eat?
Should I try speaking with them first? Like I don't know what to tell them. I guess we leave.
I don't want to advise. I mean.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just try.
Hey! Are y'all supposed to be here?
Oh my god, I think they're okay. Okay, I have to go. They're walking towards me.
Okay.
Okay, I have to.
Need any help?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Appreciate it.
Okay.
All right.
Fuck's your bum.
I gotta go. All right.
Who the fuck you yelling at?
No, okay, wait, 1 sec. Wait.
Come on, bro. Just try my damn shit,
don't
nigga.
look good,
Nigga, take
bro.
a bite. Take a bite,
don't
nigga.
look good,
Nigga, just take a bite, nigga. You can't.
You see him make this?
Hey, you know what I'm saying? No, chicken. Come on. Chicken. And you just eat it with your grills like that? Come on, nigga. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't do you dirty. It is my humble privilege. Take your time. I want you, take your time as you judge. It is my humble privilege.
I heard you don't wash your hands. That's all.
Nah, we wash our
That's
hands.
one of the MP members told me.
Guy that don't wash none of his hands.
He's fine.
Can someone hold the lady's stuff? Come on.
I got, of course.
What's wrong with y'all?
Disrespectful.
It is my humble privilege.
I hold it.
I got it already, man.
I hold it, sweetheart. Look, you got a fucking round next. I know you.
What was that? We just walking away, chef?
Chili or something?
Yeah.
I like sweet chili.
So what we call this guy right here? This right here is called the Davis.
I was trying the chicken first.
All right.
You named it after yourself?
It was named after me. Agent, get the fuck out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You guys need to be as honest as possible here in this criticism.
Now, honestly, fuck what he's saying because I'm holding your stuff. Now I got a phone in your hand. I will drop that motherfucker. I'm not. But if you say it's good, you know what I'm saying your shit is.
Now
safe.
he may not be able to run away with it, but I have perfectly capable knees. I will run with it.
Yes. I know you fuck with it. Look at it. You know what I'm saying?
It's not bad.
It's missing something.
It's not bad though.
Sauce on it.
Yo, no. I ain't gonna you being a picky ass nigga right now, bro.
Stop.
You being mad picky for no reason right now.
I ain't gonna lie.
Tighten up, bro. Tighten up.
You just hating the hate.
But I don't know if I needed the sauerkraut. I don't know
Too much sauce, but it's good though.
Okay.
Yeah, it can go. Let me see the waffle now though. Nah, the waffle's soggy, bro. What's going on?
I like the presentation.
No. That's because of the syrup. It desaturated the.
So you over sauced it?
No, I didn't over sauce it.
Oh, you did?
It's just the sauce, the type of sauce.
But you know who's not saying anything?
You just spit it out.
Not oversaturated. It's crazy. And he spit that shit.
Okay, so I don't like waffles. Okay, the chicken wings are good. The waffles don't. Nah, the waffles need work.
Disrespectful.
You know what it is, bro?
Like me personally, I don't know. But I eat my waffles like cooked properly. Like, you know, it has to have a little crunch on it. This is like soggy, bro.
Hey, watch out. No, I ain't gonna lie. How you know you're not soggy?
Yeah. No. Pause.
What? What? How? How is that pause?
That's pause.
I like it hard.
Whoa.
Yo, what the fuck?
Whoa. Now that's pause. That's pause. His pause is way over your pause.
Hey, yo, Chris.
Yeah.
That sauce is crazy, bro. It carried everything. Man, fuck, it's a 10. Okay. Before everybody decides, you guys are okay because they don't wash their hands here.
No, that's called love.
That's called love. That's called love.
Peel back time. Open your eyes to history. This right here, at Curly Neal.
Character. Yep. As long as you guys are okay with it. That's where the salt comes from. Davis actually put some of his elbow ash into the food.
Hey, I don't even have my elbows out today. That's how you know he lying. You were hating that shit.
You shave it with the green.
You do not deserve a platform.
And you deserve to be canceled.
Come on, my brother. Look, you said 7.5? Let's go a little higher. What you want in life? What you want in your life right now, bro?
I got a nice place. I got a nice place we can hoop at. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I got a nice.
Nah, he don't care about basketball, nigga. See, and I knew that. He didn't know that.
Ain't no funny shit.
I really care about you.
Hey, sometimes I be going to Icebox and just buying niggas I go with shit. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I need a chain. I need a chain.
Hey, you want some grills too?
Yeah. You gonna let them lie to you like that? Yeah, this shit a 10, man.
Talk to me, gang. Now what you gonna say?
I literally have a video.
God himself, I cooked that shit with a little bit of help too. But I'm just saying. God, bro, what you gonna do?
I see Mo cooking by himself right now, bro.
Hey, W press in the chat, nigga. I just press you.
L press.
Hey, I just pressed him.
Yo, bro, he's cooking right now.
No.
Bro.
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Look!
I'm cooking this shit right now. He gonna say I wasn't cooking this shit. Look at Evans. I'm dead ass cooking right now.
What do you mean?
You just got in there.
What do you mean?
You here to take care of them? Huh? You here to take care of them right there?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Yo.
Okay. Get in the truck. Security is right.
In the back seat, in the.
It's automatic, buddy.
Ain't no way.
Hey, more orders. Okay, come on.
Gotta own this property.
Oh, my brother.
He already talked to security.
It don't even matter, man. We sold out because we did so fucking good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look, yeah, we see you hating this shit, trying to tear us down. But my brother, it's doing good anyway.
It's not me, man. It's not me.
Hey, get this nigga off the premises. Get this nigga off the premises, please.
Y'all trying to eat free food? What up, y'all? We got some lobster and shrimp for y'all, man. Yo, what's going on? Hey, bro, we got this is called in the business. I'm a businessman now. I got a truck. This is called customer acquisition. My customer acquisition cost is 0. Check this out. Y'all trying to eat some free food? We got some lobster and shrimp. Yo, went to the spot, got me some breaded shrimp. You know what I'm saying? Some breaded shrimp right here, man. It's already cooked, low key. So, just in case
Cheating y'all
we
ass
fuck up the meal a little bit, Publix had me covered. Kroger had me covered. Really, all the people I think cheated. Definitely David food. They cheated like shit. So, I'm on time. Hey, we ready?
This is like a food court. That was the food court.
Food truck.
Truck. Right around this corner right here.
Right here?
You got Duke rizzing the girls up and shit.
Bro, they gonna win. They're gonna win.
What do you mean?
I'm not sure.
That means not only fish.
It's seafood. It's seafood.
Has you see a little man with a red hat?
Hey, look. She finna go get some seafood. What she call it? Presbyterian?
Pescatarian.
That's exactly what she said.
seafood, whatever the fuck they call the chef says, you can't serve it. It's unservable. Alright, what the fuck is going on, bro? What happened? The actual food had ran out. Nah, joking.
Oh, God, I ain't gonna lie. I'm just by myself, man, holding it down, doing them customer acquisition. You know what I'm saying? It's called guerrilla marketing. You feel me? When you want the budget to spend crazy, it's called guerrilla marketing. It's what some of you do where you just really use. No, bro, I have no idea how to do any of this. So I'm gonna start with the shrimp. Then we're gonna move on to the lobster.
Dude, just made he don't know how to use the fryer. So what you finna do? Burn everything up? Get off the fryer.
Sir, I wish I had Duke here right now. Let's take a look on the shrimp. Oh my God, it's close. It's close. Woo!
Hey, what's up, dog?
How did the customer acquisition go?
Come on, man. You see the line outside, man. What a
we got gloves for you right here, man.
Yep. I need them.
You know what I'm saying? I got this open up. The shrimp is cooking right there, man. So
sanitary.
That's why I don't go to McDonald's.
I barely go to McDonald's. I seen niggas with no gloves on. No gloves. I don't know what y'all been doing. I just can't. You gotta have gloves on when you cook, bro.
yeah, of course.
Okay.
So this is what we about to do. I'm gonna have you butter up the buns.
Okay.
And like toast them for me.
Toast them, motherfuckers.
And we're gonna put these in together.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna take care of the shrimp, and we gotta do one more last shrimp.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're looking good right now. Hey, security. Hey, Kai, please don't make too much noise. Security, if anyone acts up, bro, pack him up. ASAP. If you hear a noise.
Whose eyes?
Hey, gang. So boom, right? So I'm putting butter in
the middle and on the outside. Boom. And then flip it.
Say the
just
fuck,
like that, man.
Say the fuck list, hoe ass. That nigga line it up.
Hey, if I was cooking in this kitchen, I put more than one down, bro.
What? More than one what? This is the fourth one.
Bro, y'all niggas is bad slow.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. You can't be that hateful. Hey, bro, get out. Get out. Security!
Hey, man, where he at, man? What a nigga at, man?
What are they gonna do about the lobster? Are they gonna fry the lobster? Oh
no.
No? Yeah.
Tell them to leave. Yo, I know, I overcooked this. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I overcooked this, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Because I thought we could fucking handle it.
Where you at?
Shut the fuck up.
Bro, you ain't even got this shit ready yet, nigga.
Hey, buddy, get the crowd hype, will you? Yo, Asia, perform, nigga. Perform. Yo, get sturdy, bro.
They mad quiet and shit. They're not even having a good time.
That is your job.
That's
your job. You get sturdy.
Nah. Yo, get sturdy, bro. Yo, get the crowd hype, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, dude, come out here. Hey, do a backflip. God damn.
Bro, New York niggas talking about do a backflip. You already know what I'm gonna tell them niggas to do.
Okay. Look, dude, don't say nothing, but I do have some already cooked shrimp here, and I have some already cooked bread there that's already toasted. So if we fuck up for whatever reason, we're straight.
Man, tell everybody in the crowd to shut the fuck up.
This shit whack, nigga. Yo, this nigga shut the fuck up.
I need quiet.
I wouldn't let him do that. Hey, look. I wouldn't let him do that. Hey, y'all just don't shut up. Yo, my niggas. Hey, my niggas. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, diamonds in their mouth, man. Wait, hold on. Everybody be quiet. If I was y'all, I'll run the back of this truck and that's me though.
Back him up. What the fuck?
Oh, we scared of bullets. Hey, my dog, man. My nigga is ready to die. My niggas. Hey, dude.
He don't know
shoot him. Shoot me, nigga.
He ready to die. He ready to die.
Whoa. We want food. We want food.
That's a crazy chant.
Hey, niggas begging. All the niggas begging, man. They begging.
We know. This is not a fast food truck. This seafood. Hey. I don't like y'all inciting violence. I don't like y'all inciting violence.
They definitely got the biggest crowd. Duke and Asian got
They definitely have the biggest crowd out of all.
biggest crowd.
What we're not
Probably because they didn't see.
I got my first two for my dogs right here.
Yeah. Hey, follow me on Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram. Follow my dog on Instagram right here. Hey, look, hold on. Come on. This nigga been begging all day. Nigga been begging all motherfucking day, man. Hey, look, nigga been chatting the whole time. Nigga get food.
Oh, he's stealing.
Hey, look, nigga. Hey.
Bro, it's like all the hard work, bro. There's no appreciation. It's just more criticism and more hate, and it's from people I thought were friends. Pretty fucked up.
Yo, I know you in. Now we out to the back. You
know what's funny is they didn't even cook for their own.
Hey yo, start that shit down. Bro, stop trying.
I'm getting bullied. I'm just gonna call the police. I'm like 1 second away from just calling the police.
Turn the gas. Man, he pissed off.
I'm not pissed. Yeah.
He crying? He got tears in his eyes. Hey, yo, buddy, you had to throw it up on him, gang. That's crazy. Look, he about to quit his job. Yo, greatest shit of F is shut this shit down. Yo, you are out of business. Nigga, go get a J-O-B. You are not an entrepreneur, nigga. Yo,
This dude look like he working at McDonald's ready to quit his job.
Yo, you fell off. Look at you. What are you doing?
Hey, leave my man alone, bro. What you talking about over there, man? Get out of here, man.
Hey, y'all sure y'all want to eat their food though? Bro, I mean, shit. Would you trust Duke and AJ cooking for you? Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
I mean, but they not the chefs though.
That's what I'm saying. Nah, that shit.
I think you just being L man's for though.
You're being weird.
I'm not being weird. Like, and these supposed to be your brothers, and you're not even supporting them.
Nah, slick. You look at me like
that shit is whack. Shit. How you know?
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna let you eat the food and throw up, nigga. That's what I get. That's what I get for trying to look out for another brother. Fuck it. Throw up is crazy. Fuck it.
What'd you say?
Bro, chill, bro.
You said you got what?
We got more, nigga. Let me rub it in there. You know what I'm saying?
What's just happening, man? What's just happening?
I'm not ready to die for Duke.
Excuse me?
I said I'm not ready to die for Duke.
Too many black people out here. Do you want to tell Duke that you're not ready to die? Come on.
Do a backflip! Do a backflip! Do a backflip! Do a backflip!
Hey, bro. We got goddamn no water. We got Coke and Dr. Pepper type shit.
What type of? I ain't got no water.
That's tough.
Yo, this is a fucking lobster restaurant, my brother. That's the only shit y'all got? Bro, get the fuck out of my face. Oh my god.
I wouldn't let talk to that. Yeah, I'm gonna see you after work. Hey, I'm gonna see you after work.
We got the seafood. We got Asian and Duke. I don't know how it's gonna be. I'm a little nervous, but we gonna see. We gonna see. I like seafood. I'm anxious. I'm excited. I love seafood, so I hope they impress me.
Bro, why the fuck is Bro, why the fuck?
It's a dope review. Bro, you scared, nigga?
It's a dope review, bro. Why is y'all worried, bro? Why the fuck y'all worried about my business, though?
Okay, but what this got to do with you? What this got to do with you, though? Mind your business.
Are you, what is you a lobster landlord? You walk around this bitch asking motherfuckers, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, mind your business.
Hey, yo, alright, you got it.
Hey, fellas, listen. Of course.
I'll hold that for you. Bev of choice?
It's a lobster.
You got some water, my brother?
Yikes, we don't do water, just soft drinks.
What we got?
Coke, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, orange juice. Give me one of the Sprites, man.
I'll take an orange juice, man. I'll take a
Coke, Sprite. Okay, hold.
Hey, listen. Hey, look. Before y'all dig in, all right? It's about presentation. Okay. It did not present it well.
Does it taste better?
Yeah. No. I was going down.
It's got like a chicken salad aroma.
smell like Goo Lagoon water.
Yeah.
All right. Taste. Texture. Hold on. Chill, nigga. Let me talk to these niggas, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Do your
Just
thing,
chill,
man.
bro.
Do your thing.
Look at him. He's so. Look at this nigga, man. Oh, nah, nigga do this right here is raps.
That means it's incredible.
Hey, dude, this shit ass, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I gotta be real. So how you feel about that?
It's Chris Mann's. He literally paid him to say that.
No.
Hey,
This tastes like an MRE, my boy. Tastes like an MRE. And you know we don't like that, bro. Come on.
This is the last cooking video I do, bro, because niggas keep trolling. Last one was Omar. This time is this. That's Chris Mann's, bro. That's Chris Mann's. You might have to. Not right now, though. Not right now. Wait till.
Nah. What do you got? Yo, everybody stop it! Right back! Hey, dude, I got you!
Hey, after these 3 days of tasting, man, after deliberation, the chopped cheese, chicken and waffles, this amazing lobster roll, we decided on a team. That team is
FANUM and
that shit was trash. It was hella.
Yo, they doubted us. Look at him now.
Hi, man. Yeah, nigga, you doubt us. Look at us now. Fuck, nigga. You feel what I'm saying? Lame ass, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look. That lobster roll was ass, bro.
Hey, look, man. Look at him now.
Hi, man. Yeah, nigga, you doubt us. Look at us now. Fuck, nigga. 2,000, 3,000. What you talking about, man? Come on, 3,000, man. 4,000, 5,000, 10,000.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Around me. Please, around me. Clap it up, clap it up right quick. Yeah.
You hold one side, I hold one side. I never felt it before.
They should have tag team belts. Like for real. They should have tag team belts. For like
Hold on. Let me say congratulations.
Oh, yeah, for Chef Mo.
Yeah, congratulations, dog.
Hey, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, bro. No, sir.
Let me get winners only.
I love it.
Hey, clap it up for Client FANUM real quick. Clap it up for Client FANUM.
Bro, the edit right there with.
Hey, hold on. Good shit. Fuck up. You used to go to jail for that, bro. You used to go to jail for that, bro. For riding dick with no license. Hold up. Yeah. Who get boom? You get boom. No, you get boom, nigga. You get boom, nigga. No, you get boom.